Alright, y'all. Without further ado, let's check out ILLIT Magnetic in 3, 2, 1.
Baby,
Whoa.
I'm just trying to play cool.
Okay.
But I just can't hide that. I
What?
want you. Wait a minute,
Who you want? Who we talking to?
but I just can't hide that. I want you. Wait a minute,
Oh, they talk about love? Oh, like crush love. Like superpower. Off the bat, they have like a, what does that sound like? Like I want to say twinkle. That twinkles. Oh, did someone break a plate? Oh my god. But off the bat, like a, it almost seems like a game kind of noise, like when you're like traveling through space or like some type of like dimension. Very upbeat already. My heart feels like a magnet. Ooh, I like how that went. That voice. Ooh. Did she hold her breath and it paused time? Woo! Baby. Ooh. Very video gamey. Is that what that's what it's called? Plug NB? Plug. I'm not actually familiar with that word. Like R&B, but plug aren't. If you watch TikTok, you'll notice some tracks. Okay. All right, let me go back because I don't think I was paying attention. I was watching chat. Ooh. Hey, that's fire. Oh, okay. Where we going though? Don't wanna wait. It said. Don't wanna hide it. The magnet in my heart. Oh, like we're magnetized. Her and their crush. Oh, what is that choreo? Bro, let me play this. When it was like Hey. So they're talking about their crutches, obviously. And saying that our hearts are magnetic. Oh, what in the back rooms? Oh my god. What the fuck? Wait, I did not. I was like, wait, did this turn into a horror film? Like I got scary for a second. I was like, what in the artsy stuff? Make her own path, basically. They making their own path. What is happening? Oh my god! Why would you do that? Holy shit! Let's move on from that. What the fuck? Everybody in here is scared. The hell? That was weird life. Let's go back when she made her own path. They're stuck. Then, boom, punch. to like this whole like whatever this is. That sound was. Like unicorn. It's magnetic. The keys. What the hell? You know what these like shots remind me of too? A bit of like Red Velvet, no? Interesting. I can already tell. Okay, don't be farting up in here. Leave your flatulence at the door, chat. I can already see this being really addictive, like earwormy, especially the chorus. Yeah, that sounds Summer Moon. What is that? Damn, I'd really be just pushing this. I have one critique that may seem kind of weird to some people, but I wish the song was one octave higher. Like a little bit higher. I could see that. I could see how people would like that more too. Let me see from the beginning one more time. Hold up.
I'm just trying to play cool, but I just can't hide that.
What is that instrument?
I want you.
What is that instrument right there? Like the I don't know how to I don't know how to.
Baby, I'm just trying to play cool, but I just can't hide that. I want you. Wait a minute, it can watch it.
The instrumental reminds me of like Luna and Eugene's. I can see that too. I like the constant use of that. Oh my god, I just realized she broke that ish. I like her voice. Na, 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 na. Very R&B right there too. This is fire. Boom. It's cute, even with the choreo, especially like the little like this. And they all get a letter from the unicorn. It's almost like the instrumental is almost fairy tale-y kind of feel. Ooh, add some like trap to it too. Okay. Let's go, let's go. Hey, 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 hey. So they're getting clues from the unicorn? Yes, FX used plugin B2 for Four Walls. I can see. Oh, it does remind me of FX Four Walls a bit too. Yes, yes, yes. Like Dreamcore. Reminds me of FX Four Walls almost with a video game chiptune. Yeah. It's like a constellation sound thing for infants. It's soothing and cooling. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. If lo-fi and R&B had a baby. Ooh. I'm very curious to see if their mini album, the rest of the songs sound similar to this, or the same like theme or concept. Dang. Yeah. There's a lot of elements into this song actually. Ooh. But overall, I can see why. I can see why people are liking this, and it's very addictive of a sound too. Very addictive of a sound.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.